Alright, easing into pull-off stuff, combining hammer-ons, pull-offs. So, just remember, no repeats on these. So, the practice should go fairly quick, I think. And anytime you need to go up like 10 or even 5 beats a minute, definitely do so. Alright, here we go. Number 1 at 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, number 2, now that we're changing strings here. So use your right hand, and also, even when you're not changing strings, make sure you got your right hand sitting on top of your lower strings, so this way they don't ring out. And then when you change strings, you can just really quick put your right hand down on all the strings and jump your finger over. Put it down while you jump over. Put it down, jump over. So just kind of get used to doing that, and that can help clean things up, especially at the slower tempos where you're more likely to hear a string ringing out when you let go of it. 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twenty. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3. Starting with the pull-off. Pull, hammer, pull. Or, pull off the hammer-on. The pick, pull, hammer. 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 4. $60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And remember, when you are doing scale stuff, so you basically have 3 different patterns that you work with, and all 3 are found in that C scale shape. So let's use that as an example. So when you're climbing up, you got your whole step pattern. I need to use my ring finger, but you continue using your middle finger since your hand does that naturally. So you're going to go first, second, and fourth every time you got the whole step, whole step. Every time you have the half step, whole step, same fingers, first, second, and fourth. Every time you have the whole step, half step, use your first, third, and fourth. And back down. It's weird for me. My wrist does not like it. Anyway, so yeah, when you go to your D Dorian shape, make sure, even though the frets are smaller, keep using your first, third, and fourth when you play the whole step, half step pattern. And also, when you go to the next thing, when you go to E Phrygian, learn it up here first. I know you're probably not going to play a whole lot up in those teeny tiny frets, but it's possible. So just so you have the knowledge of it, so you know it. Once you learn it up there, before you start doing it down here. And I think that covers everything. If you would like, it's something that would help get you ahead of the game with the triad stuff, memorize the formulas, the chord formulas for each one. So major is 1, 3, 5, minor is 1, flat 3, 5, diminished is 1, flat 3, flat 5, and augmented is the 1, 3, sharp 5. So if you memorize that, step ahead of the game. It's something that will come into play for many, many things coming forward. And as always, if you got any questions, let me know, and I'll see you next week.